Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, students, whenever you are watching this video. So in previous classes we had discussed what are divisibility rules for numbers. So students, today we'll do very important topic, that is prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay, there are some numbers which cannot be divided by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 or 9 or 10. Okay, they can only be divided by themselves or by 1. So here you can see that 25 can be divided by 1. 25 comes in 1's table, it comes in 5's table, and it comes in 25's table. So that is factors mean in which table it comes. 29 students does not come in any numbers table, it only comes in 1's table and 29's table, that's it. Okay, 31 is also comes only in 1's table and 31's table, that's it. 42 can be divided by 2, 42 can be divided by 21, it can be divided by 3. Okay, 42 can be divided by 1, 42 can be divided by 42 also, it can be divided by 7 also. Okay, 6 also. So 42 can be divided by various numbers, but here you can see that 29 and 39 and 31 cannot be divided by any other number, only by 1 and by itself. 83 cannot be divided by other number also. Okay, it can only be divided by 1 and 83. Okay, they are its factors. So students, from the table you can infer that some number have only two factors. Okay, only means it can be divided by only two things, that is by 1 and the number itself. Okay, that is number 1 and the number itself, while others have more than two factors. Of course, 25 has 3 factor, 42 has 6 factors. Okay, so now complete the sentences. The number dash dash have only two factors. So which numbers have two factors? So students, 29 has 2 factor, 31 has 2 factor, and 83 has 2 factors. So these numbers are called what? These numbers are called prime numbers. Those numbers which can be divided by 1 and by only itself. The numbers dash dash have more than 2 factors. So 25 has more than 2 factors and 42 has more than 2 factors. So this type of numbers are called what? This type of numbers are called composite numbers. A pair of prime numbers that differs by 2 are called twin primes. Okay, here you can see that 29 and 31 are twin prime numbers. Okay, because difference between 29 and 31 is what? Difference between them is 2, so they are called twin. Let's go to another slide, students. Here we'll do one activity. Okay, if you don't have book, go bring a book and we'll do one activity. So pause this video and go bring your book and do one activity. So a Greek mathematician, Eratosthenes, developed a method to find prime numbers. Okay, so there is one method to find prime numbers. Very good. What is it? Between 1 and 100. Okay, this method is called sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay, here is number grid from 1 to 100. So here 1 to 100 numbers are written. So what we have to do? It says cross 1. Okay, so I will cross 1 by red color. Okay, let's cross 1 by red color. Very good. So cross 1 as it is neither a prime number not a composite number. Okay students, so I have crossed it. It is not a prime number, not a composite number. Second says circle 2, it is prime number. Very good, this color. Okay, so now students, I will circle it because it is prime number. Very good. I will circle 2 because it is prime number, cross all the multiples of 2. Okay, because all the multiples of 2 are not prime numbers because they come in 2's table. Okay, so what are all the all the factors of 2? So 4 comes in 2's table, 6. So what are all the multiples of 2? So 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Okay, very good. So 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92. Here also cut. Now I have crossed all the multiples of 2. So then it says circle 3. I will circle 3 because it is a prime number, because 3 comes on in only 3's table and 1's table. Okay, because it comes in only 3's table and 1 table, and this 2's multiple 4 comes in what? 4 comes in 1's table, 4's table and 2's table. Similarly 6, that was multiple of 2, it comes in 1's table, 6's table, 2's table, 3's table, like that. Students, that's why we have crossed them, because they come in more than two numbers table. Okay, so now circle 3 as it is prime number. Yes, 3 is prime number because it comes in only 1's table and 3's table, and we'll cross all the multiples of 3. So let's cross multiples of 3 by another color. Okay, let's cross them by orange color. So 9, then what? 12 already crossed, 15, 18 already crossed, 21. I have crossed all 3's multiples. Now what? Now cross, it says all the multiples of 5. Okay, so which numbers come in 5's table? Let's cross them by again let's cross them by different color. Let's cross them by blue color. Okay, so 5, 10 already crossed. Here you can see the 15, 25, 30. I have crossed all the multiples of 5. Now what? 5 is a prime number. Okay, what I will do? I will circle 5. Okay, because 5 comes in only 1's table and 5's table. Now 7, so I will circle 7. All the multiples are 7, so 7, then 14. Okay, already crossed. Then what? Then by 21 already crossed, so 28 already crossed, 35 already crossed. Here is any number can I cross here? Here 49 I can cross. Okay, then okay students, so I have crossed all the multiples of 7. Now what? So that's it. So circle all the numbers that are not crossed. Okay, so I will circle all the numbers that are not crossed, because all are what? All are prime numbers. 11 is a prime number, 13 is a prime number, 17 is a prime number, 19 is a prime number, 23, 29, 31, 37, 47, 41, 43, 59, 53, 61, 71, 73, 83, 67, 79, 89. Okay students, and 97. So students, the circle number are what? Circle number are prime numbers. Okay, between 1 and 100. So and 3, 5, 5, 7, 11 are what? Are pair of prime numbers. They are pair of prime numbers, or you can say twin primes, because they differ by 2. Okay, they are called twin primes. Very good. So we have found out all the prime numbers between 1 and 100. Okay students, so to find the prime numbers, what you need to do, you need to see that number should not be divisible by 2, 3, 5 and 7. That's all I wanted to show you. You can cross this number by red pen only or circle by blue pen only. Don't need to cross them by different colors. Okay, I had colors, so I crossed them by different colors. You can cross them by just one color. Okay, so question first says, in the grid the numbers that are circled, what are the numbers that are circled? So students, the number that are circled are what? They are prime numbers. Okay, they are prime numbers. And dash is the first prime number. Which is the first prime number? So student, 2 is the first prime number. Dash is the only even prime number. So 2 is the only even prime number. You know that what are even number, like 2, 4, 8, they are even number. Or odd number, 5, 7, 9, like that. The smallest odd composite number. What are the smallest odd composite number? So here this is 9 is the smallest odd composite number. Okay, because you know first odd number is 1, it is not a composite number. Then you have, then odd number is 3, again it is not a composite number, it is prime number. Then again 5 is odd, it is again what? It is again prime number. Then 7, again prime number. But students, 9 is in first odd number plus composite number. Why composite? Because it comes in 3's table, 1's table and 9's table. So it comes in more than 2 numbers table. So 7 consecutive composite number. What are 7 consecutive composite number? So 7 here 2 here you can see, here you can see students, 7 consecutive composite number here. Okay, here one number, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so it is starting from 90. It is starting from 90. 90 is also divisible by some other number, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and 96. They are all composite numbers. Okay, these are 2 consecutive prime numbers. So 2 and 3 are the only number which are consecutive prime numbers, means there is no gap, there is only one difference between them. Okay, so 2 and 3 are the only 2 consecutive prime numbers. So I hope you understood.